and gentle dogs. Today I, Ginger the Great, will defeat gravity because gravity is boring. You getting this, Gina? Watch as I bounce into the air and then stay there.
What do you think you're doing?
Defying gravity?
You had the flying dream again, didn't you? You know, I've been thinking about those flying dreams of yours.
Miss me? Angela!
Welcome back! Couldn't stay away, I see.
Huh. Haven't lost a bit of that tomcat charm, I see.
Sup, Angela? Looking good, girl.
Need some jet fuel?
No. A fun dance video for my new song.
Say no more, we're your guys.
Great. I was thinking the dance could be sassy, like this.
Oh, fabulous! For the 90s, you need something more current. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh yeah. Let's settle this once and for all. Dance battle!
Winner gets to choreograph.
Guys? I have an idea for the music video.
Are you ready for this, Kitty from the city?
Bring it. What's happening? The ground is alive.
I'm out of here! Earthquake!
Now that I have your attention, enjoy my Anti-Gravitronimator Dance Floor 4000.
Whoa! Hey, look! I can fly!
You're a bird.
No, really! Check it out!
I'm a cat.
Look at me.
Here. Bye, Gravity. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Oh, my ceiling cat, you did it, Ben! You killed gravity!
I thought it could be fun this way. Happy flying!
Oh, look out! Old dog's got some tricks.
When you call me, when you hold me, when you kiss me. Woohoo! I'm living a dream! My fans love it.
Clearly, the camera loves me.
Is that so?